How to sign up for Canva on PC. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Canva website by typing canva.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a button in the top right corner that says Sign Up. Click on it to begin the registration process. Next, you will be given different options to create your Canva account. You can use sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, Microsoft account, Apple ID, or simply use your email address. If you decide to sign up with your email, click on Continue with email. Then enter your email address, type in your name, and check your inbox for a verification code. Enter that code, and you will be signed into Canva instantly. If you also want to add a password for your Canva account, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then go to Settings and open the Login section. Here you will see the link for the password reset page. Click on it, enter your email, type in your new password and click Set Password. Canva will send the verification code to your inbox. Enter the code and hit Continue. You can now log in easily using your new password. Now you have successfully signed up for Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.